How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Where do you live?
I live just outside the city.
What time is it?
It's 5:30 p.m.
Where are you going?
I'm heading to the grocery store.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years old.
What are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
How was your day?
It was good, a bit busy though.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm all set. Let's go.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I had a great sleep.
What's for dinner?
We're having pasta tonight.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need help with?
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
How was the weather today?
It was sunny and warm.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Spanish.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 7 a.m.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I could eat something now.
How did you get here?
I took the bus.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
How do you get to work?
I drive to work every day.
What did you do yesterday?
I went shopping and watched a movie.
You have a hobby.
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and classical music.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog and a cat.
Can I borrow your book?
Sure, go ahead and take it.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually relax and hang out with friends.
Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the beach with my family.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading novels.
How often do you read?
I read every night before bed.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm planning to visit my grandparents.
How do you feel today?
I feel great, thanks for asking.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I got my license last year.
What time does the store open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Japan and France.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please. I'm a bit thirsty.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 537588943.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 3 years.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it with milk and no sugar.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in California.
Are you feeling better today?
Yes, I'm feeling much better, thank you.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
No, I'm just staying home and relaxing.
Can you send me the address?
Sure, I'll text it to you.
Have you seen my keys?
Yes, they're on the kitchen table.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I spent time with my family.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
What time will you arrive?
I'll arrive at 5 p.m.
Did you finish the book?
Not yet, but I'm almost done.
What are you doing right now?
I'm just relaxing and watching TV.
Do you like working from home?
Yes, it's very convenient for me.
What time does the movie start?
It starts at 7 p.m.
Can you help me with this task?
Sure, I'll be right there.
Where do you usually go on vacation?
I usually go to the mountains.
How do you like your job?
I like it. It's challenging but rewarding.
Did you go to the gym today?
No, I didn't have time today.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies.
How do you stay fit?
I run every morning and do yoga.
Did you eat breakfast today?
Yes, I had eggs and toast.
What kind of phone do you have?
I have an iPhone.
How do you get to work?
I take the subway every morning.
Do you like living here?
Yes, it's a nice neighborhood.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave at 8 a.m. every day.
Have you been to this restaurant before?
Yes, I've been here a few times.
How often do you clean your house?
I clean my house every weekend.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is photography.
How do you spend your evenings?
I usually relax, watch TV, or read a book.
What time do you usually eat lunch?
I eat lunch around 12:30 p.m.
Have you ever been to New York?
Yes, I went there last year on vacation.
Do you like your neighbors?
Yes, they're really friendly and helpful.
How often do you travel?
I try to travel at least once a year.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis on the weekends.
What kind of car do you drive?
I drive a small, fuel-efficient sedan.
What did you have for dinner last night?
I had grilled chicken with vegetables.
Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
I usually drink coffee.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I enjoy listening to pop and rock music.
Are you going anywhere this weekend?
Yes, I'm planning to visit my family.
What time do you get off work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
How long does it take you to get to work?
It takes about 30 minutes by car.
What do you do to relax?
I like to meditate or take a walk.
Did you watch the news today?
No, I didn't have time.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, I try to cook my meals at home.
Can you help me with this?
Yes, I can help you.
Could you open the window?
Sure, I could do that.
Should I bring my umbrella?
Yes, you should. It might rain.
Will you come to the party?
Yes, I will come.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, I would like some.
May I use your pen?
Yes, you may.
Can I sit here?
Yes, you can sit there.
Could you pass the salt, please?
Sure, I could pass it to you.
Should we go now?
Yes, we should leave.
Will it rain today?
It might rain later.
Would you help me with my homework?
Yes, would help you.
Can you call me tonight?
Yes, I can call you.
Could you tell me the time?
Sure, I could tell you the time.
Should I wear a jacket?
Yes, you should. It's cold.
Will you take the bus today?
Yes, I will take the bus.
May I ask you a question?
Yes, you may ask.
Can I borrow your book?
Yes, you can borrow it.
Could you close the door?
Sure, I could close it.
Should we order food now?
Yes, we should order it.
Would you like to join us?
Yes, I would like to.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, we can meet.
Could you help me with this bag?
Yes, I could help you.
Should I call the doctor?
Yes, you should call.
Will you come with me?
Yes, I will come.
Would you mind waiting here?
No, I wouldn't mind.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card.
Could you give me directions?
Yes, I could help.
Should I take this road?
Yes, you should.
Will you send me the email?
Yes, I will send it.
May I leave early today?
Yes, you may leave.
Can you fix this?
Yes, I can fix it.
Could you explain that again?
Sure, I could explain.
Should I wait for you?
Yes, you should wait.
Will you stay for dinner?
Yes, I will stay.
Would you like more tea?
Yes, I would like more.
Can you tell me your name?
Yes, I can tell you.
Could I see the menu, please?
Yes, you could.
Should we start the meeting?
Yes, we should start now.
Will you help me move this?
Yes, I will help.
Would you like to come along?
Yes, I would like to.
Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, you can.
Could you lend me your car?
No, I couldn't lend it.
Should I wait outside?
Yes, you should wait outside.
Will you take a break now?
Yes, I will take one.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, I would like some.
Can we go for a walk?
Yes, we can go.
Could you bring me some water?
Yes, I could bring it.
Should I text you later?
Yes, you should text me.
Will you help me cook dinner?
Yes, I will help.
May I turn on the TV?
Yes, you may turn it on.